I've always wanted to make a flambéed Wagyu burger with fresh pecorino cheese. And I needed to like call all my homies up, pull up to the studio and make this fucking flambé burger. I did make this burger, yeah, a year ago at Rocco's. I've been sitting on this burger, brother. It's like this secret I've been gatekeeping, and I knew when we wanted to do something sick here that I had to make this burger.
Like pie slices, yeah? Oh, yeah.
Well, yeah, there's, I pulled up with some remarkable people. Chef Scott, who owns the Bow Project in Burner Bar. My homie John. John is my chef at Jolly Goods. Will, my brother Will. Will is the chef at Purple Pit, which is one of my favorite cocktail bars in Melbourne. And one of my old friends, Samia. She's in town right now, so I had to get my homegirl to pull up. I think I'd like to show the patties. The Wagyu, that is the distinguishing factor. Luscious, tender meat in soft, toasted bread. I can't think of anything better.
And this is the hood Wagyu. So then could you imagine this cheese just like hugging it? There's a lot of fat in that pan. Yeah.
I've never seen you scared before. Well, I thought that I told you, but then fucking you found out on the day that we were gonna try and flambé. I was scared too, like I gotta be honest, you know, I didn't want to be burning down Cheque Please headquarters only a few months after it's opened. It is all about the sauce. So the sauce had capers, had some pickles in it, some fresh shallots. So all the flavor was in that sauce, and keeping it run nice and simple, just to be like, that's 4 or 5 components, but it's all in that sauce, brother. Bro, this burger, I've been thinking about it for the last year. And I had to call up all the homies and get it done. There's something about this fucking burger. I needed everyone to know this, all right? Good meat, good sauce, good cheese, and good bread. That's what makes the perfect burger.